This is your chance to learn how to ensure that every single property that you renovate generates a profit in a no-fuss and stress-free environment.
Spending a fantastic and fabulous weekend at the Rapid Renovation Formula with Naomi Findlay. What an experience! What an experience!
I've successfully renovated over 110 properties with my 7-step Rapid Renovation Formula. You follow some key design principles. That's how you do it.
I love Naomi's holistic approach to renovating, the way that she considers space medicine, how people feel in the spaces, not just how they look.
Naomi takes it to the next level. It's amazing, it's interactive, it's exciting.
Naomi Findlay is a rapid renovation expert and was voted top 5 home stylists in the world in the US.
Outdoor spaces are quintessential to our lifestyle, and so someone who decides not to showcase and not to style their outdoor space, they're literally not showcasing part of the living and I guess the lifestyle element especially of their properties. There's definitely a lot to think about, but you don't have to feel overwhelmed by it all. That's why I'm here.
It's very inspirational to think that Naomi has completed 113 renovations in the time that she has committed to this journey.
She's just hands down. She knows like the intricate details of what's happening on sites and how to make it work and how to make it profitable.
I'm an ordinary mum of 4 kids from Newcastle.
Naomi is very warm and welcoming, is incredibly generous both with her time and knowledge.
She's such a beautiful soul because she's very genuine. Her level of integrity is just amazing.
She's just a wealth of knowledge. It's really astounding how much she knows about this business, and she's happy to share it, which is even more amazing.
Well, today I want to give you a few tips to make sure you go into the renovating game very prepared.